Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a Bitget sub account. As the first step, go ahead and go to bitget.com, and once you're in here, go to the top right, click or hover over your profile right here, and then go ahead and locate sub accounts. Okay, so just click on it, wait for it to load, and then once it loads, all you got to do is just go ahead over to the top right, and here we have the plus sign. Okay. You'll have your sub accounts count right here besides it as well. So just go ahead and click on create. Now, what type of a sub account would you like to create? Is it a virtual sub account, a general sub account, or custodial trading sub account? So I'm just going to use this option. This says general sub account. This is created using an if authentic email address with a security verification settings distinct from main account. You can log in normally or switch from the main account if you want to. Okay, so just click on it, add in a name, for example, this one, and then I'm going to go ahead and enter one of my emails right here. Okay, it says here you cannot log in directly to a virtual email sub account. Okay, you'll have to log into the main account first via the switch account function. So once you entered your email, go ahead and click on get verification code. Write down the code that was sent to your email right here. Hit on confirm. Then go ahead and set password. Okay, confirm by just retyping down the password or same password. Add in some notes if you want to. And if you want to create an API with your sub account, well, enable API. Okay, should it be system generated or user generated? If not, just close this one and create right here. Okay, it says here security verification. This is the authenticator of your main account. Okay, so it says here enter your email verification code. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Just click on get code right here. Wait for the email. And then while you wait for the email, go ahead and look for your authenticator and enter the code right here. Mine is 598571. And at the top is the code for my email. So just go ahead and hit on confirm, wait for it. And after that, you have your sub account. Sub accounts count right here is 1. And the status is now normal. Okay. You have your UID. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and switch account from here. Okay. As you can see, switch account. There you go. And here I have my sub account. All right. So there'll be a tag right here at the top that says sub account. That's basically it. If you want to switch to your main account, just click on switch account right here at the top right. Okay. And there you have it. That is how you create a Bitget sub account. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.